impilo masifika ngale ayizumethwa ngeduration kodwa izomethwa ngedonation. uNkulunkulu mawuyisalukwazi akakuncomela ukuthi gogo wisikhokho uze waphila una 90 years kodwa into azokuncomela yona ukuthi uphile kule minyaka oyiphilile yini into ongathi uyenze emhlabeni. I used to say life ayimethwa ngeduration kodwa imethwa ngedonation. Akunandaba ukuthi usumpuka unentshebe ungakanani. What matters eminyakeni oyiphilile ubasizekana abantu. Ukukholwa akusikona ukuhlala iminyaka eminingi, akusikona ukumemeza kakhulu kodwa ukuphendula lo mbuzo usiseba umphathiseba uphakeleba usulinye besikaba.
Selela maphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya. Ngiselela maphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya. Sonini hilma susa manqeba. Sonini hilma susa manqeba.
Bathi ngifike I'm so late, igame ifile I'm so late. Angilale ebusuku I'm so angry, usumthathile uma olate. I was a nigga with passion, noma bengibisa ngeforeign. Popular still I'm relaxing, azange ngibhema ama cocaine. Asikho isinkwa ngifuna umngenandli, bengiyorekhoda ngemali yokugcina. Ingakho so popha ama champagne, ingakho so popha ama champagne. We living the life, yabona we nice. Eklapini siphatha boshamain. We bringing the hype, sinhlwempunge style. Itrance sesigcwele emabaleni. Sibamba ama-beat uzobamba amagqu. Awuzanga ngefame ukwandonga ziyaduma. Ikwanto trap uzodlala amambusha. Abazodla ijelasa bosaka liyavutha. Lungisa indlela siyothatha imendlela. kuNkulunkulu wakho kuyomela uthembeke. Bathi urestile akazange adedeke le tribulation ikunumber 7.
Ngiselela amaphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya. Ngiselela amaphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya. Sonini hilma susa manqeba. Sonini hilma susa manqeba.
Yeah, we all sinners, do you wanna change? Spotted paper and a smaller change. We all villainous, it's common sense. Godly feeling, that's another sense. Bless, bless, yes we all are. Yet they guess, so we all die. I'll be praying for them better days. I'll be working during holidays. Isaiah verse 14, been my favorite verse since 14. Higher than a coke fiend, it's just dope things for the mainstream. What is faith to an unbeliever? That's a goal for a non-achiever. My regret will be never try. Scared of death, better do or die. Wait, better stay straight in this life game or get a checkmate. Tribulation, that's a life test. Haters can't see me, feel the eye test. Complex, real niggas never contest. Dear Lord, I'll be praying for the realest sinners so we all blessed. Blessed.
Ngiselela amaphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya. Ngiselela amaphutha wami ubuso mandlo uyabuya.